What do you need help for? Magtawid. Kasi hindi ka marunong magtawid. So, Z doesn't know how to tawid. So, I'll accompany her para magtawid. Okay, sige. Let's go. Oh, this is easy. Wala namang sasakyan. Wait, stop. Oh, wait. Stop ko muna. No, it's supposed to be, I think dapat nandun ka nagdaan. Kasi merong pedestrian doon. Pero, okay lang naman kasi wala masyadong traffic ngayon. Let's go. Yeah, actually, I was watching one video in Facebook and then parang may babae na, you know, parang hindi siya sure kung magtawid siya or hindi. Tapos nasa gitna na siya, tapos parang nag-paralyze siya ba?
Probably hindi rin marunong.
Oo. So, sasakay ka na ngayon papunta school mo?
Yes.
Okay. Magta-taxi ka? If meron. At meron man siguro yan, 1,000 ang bill mo? Oh, I think meron man yan. Dito ka maghintay kasi wala masyado nagadaan dito. Usually sa highway yan. So dito ka maghintay.
Pwede lang din na tricycle ka lang.
Mag-tricycle ka. Papunta sa RMC?
Yes.
Saan ba yung RMC gani?
Malapit siya sa...
Oh, brother. Oh. Hindi, vlogger nga ako. So, you know, madami nakakilala sa akin.
Like you're known here in...
Yeah.
Ay, baguhan kasi ako here in...
Okay. Tapos bakit naging governor ka na sa school niyo kung baguhan ka sa Davao?
Because of my credentials.
Okay. Where are you from pala?
The past country. I'm from Libya. It's a country in Northern Africa. If you're...
Yeah, but you're Filipina, right?
Part Arab.
Part Arab. Pero bakit magaling ka mag-speak ng Tagalog?
It's my first language actually.
What? Sorry?
It's my first language. Tagalog is my first language.
Your first language. So you're Filipina nga. But you live in Libya.
I was born and I grew up there. And
Nice. Okay. And why did you choose going back here?
Kasi I've been living in Libya for so long. So my parents thought that it's about time I go back to the Philippines. Gusto
Okay.
nila tapos ako ng high school here.
Nice. So you're back with your family now.
With my siblings kasi my parents were still outside.
They're still in Libya.
Yes.
Nice. How is Libya? Usually, if you hear Libya, it's like somewhere in Iraq, somewhere there. So
It's a neighboring country in Egypt.
oh yeah. So is it dangerous there?
It used to.
But now, okay na siya.
Medyo nag-okay.
Compared dito sa Davao, how does it compare to?
In terms of what? Economics or economy
And-
or politics as well?
Maybe in galing magsalita ni Z. Maybe in criminality tama ba yung term?
I get when you're right. I think mas safe dito compared to
I see it.
yeah, it's pretty much a lawless country.
Lawless.
Yes, lawless.
So parang palagi may dalang mga baril doon, ganun.
You're permitted to bring a gun.
So why are you staying in Libya? Kasi you're half your
Not
parent?
half, of course. My parents are talaga mga OFW. They met in Saudi and then they migrated.
But they're all Filipino. You're pure. Are you pure?
Fourth Arab.
What?
Fourth Arab.
Fourth Arab. Okay, nice. Okay. So hindi ka pa late ngayon papunta sa school mo?
Yeah, actually, I can be late.
Ha?
I can afford to be late.
You can afford to be late. Wow, you have the privilege of time and freedom.
I guess so.
Wow, sana all. I need to connect to you sa meron kang Facebook or ano?
Yes, I do.
Okay, sige, I'll connect to you. Okay.